So guys, it's 4:40, I'm super hungry, and right now I remember a recipe that my mom was making for me when my classmates were coming home and we were doing homework, more playing video games. We were doing homework and my mom was cooking this for us. We're going to make crepe, and I'm gonna show you how we make it right now. These are the ingredients for our dough. It's very easy. 250 grams of flour, 500 ml, 2 cups of whole milk, 3 eggs. I'm using pasture-raised eggs. So if your lady is pregnant, if someone doesn't want to eat raw eggs, this is the answer. You can find it in any store. So we start with the milk. We pour our whole milk in a bowl. Eggs. I really love crepes because they remind me of when I was a kid and we were going out with our friends, and sometimes instead of get gelato when it was too cold, we were eating a crepe. Amazing. Okay, now that we have all the eggs, we start to whisk. It's something easy after lunch. You have that little room left, you're hungry, you're cravings or something sweet. This is perfect. Just a word, do you like my new apron? It was a birthday gift. I mean, we can get more Italian than this. Now I have my 250 grams of flour, which I'm going to sift. I'm gonna sift it so I'm not gonna have clump on my dough. Use some strength here, we have to incorporate the flour well. There is this discussion between Italian and French. Who invented the crepe? Well, I did a small research, and actually the crepes were made by the Italians in this Italian creperia. Then Pope Gelasio, long time ago, when the French came to Rome to pray, he had a lot of crepes made for them. Then they liked it so much that this became very popular in French and they claim it. Let them claim the crepe at least. We have a lot, but I'm trying to avoid the clumps. Sounds a little bit like clams, but what happened if you have some clams? You sift the dough. In that case, you don't have clams anymore. Now we're gonna take our dough, cover it with plastic wrap, and then we are gonna put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Our dough rested for 30 minutes, and now we're gonna have some butter on the pan, so it's gonna make it like the slippery pan. If you have a crepiera, you can use that. I do not have that, just a regular pan. I'll show you how we can use it. So I have a butter on. With a paper towel, make sure that you're gonna spread it all over the pan like this. And now we're gonna make the first crepe. I don't know if it's well written by someone, but it always happens. Even if you're a crepe master, a crepe chef, the first one is never gonna be perfect. So take 1 spoon, put it on the center. Now we do this job from the center to the side. And let's wait till it cooks, and then we're going to flip it. So here my crepe is done. Check, it's beautiful. Put it on a dish. I'll do the same thing with the rest of them. Now, new crepe, piece of butter, the pan. You do this every crepe or every 2 crepes? So probably about every 60 seconds, 80 seconds, you can flip it. So now we have to flip it, la dobbiamo girare. So, 1, 2, 3 o 1, 2, 3? Italian or French? I'll go with Italian. So, 1, 2 e 3. Beautiful, bellissima. That's beautiful. So now that our crepes are done, we're gonna make our toppings. Just my favorite, I have to tell you, Nutella, it's the best thing in the world. I have the walnuts that I'm gonna crush on my mortaio, and then I have my sugar powder, powdered sugar. So let's take our crepe, put it here, Nutella. This, then put it like this. I do this too. 1, powdered sugar. And my walnuts. Okay, now we try it. Cut it in the middle. Six part. Nutella, walnuts, sugar powder. This is like a time machine. It took me back when I was a kid and I was playing with my friends. Guys, try this recipe, it's amazing. Buon appetito! Did you like this recipe? If you did, put a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and to tell to your friends how easy it is to make real Italian dishes.